everyone, so here I am today with a new video, that is the Wilm's tumor, which is also known as the nephroblastoma. It is the most common primary renal cancer in children. It occurs mostly in children between 2 to 5 years of age, and 95% are diagnosed before age of 10. Wilm's tumor derives from the metanephric blastema, which is the embryonal structure that gives rise to kidney, and the important clinical feature, that is the palpable abdominal mass. Okay, so important thing that you need to know about the Wilm's tumor is the three congenital malformations that are present in it. So the three groups of congenital malformations that are associated with an increased risk for the Wilm's tumor are the Weidman syndrome, Dennis-Tract syndrome, and the Weidman syndrome. Okay, so one important thing that you need to know is that the Wilm's tumor is commonly caused by loss of functional mutation in the WT1 and WT2 gene, and these both are present on the chromosome number 11. Okay, so talking about the Weidman syndrome. The Weidman syndrome, it presents with the Wilm's tumor, aniridia, genitourinary malformations, and the mental retardation. And the chance of Wilm's tumor in the Weidman syndrome is 50%. Yes, so the chance of Wilm's tumor in this disease is 50%. And how does it occur? There is the loss of genetic material of the WT1 gene that is present on the chromosome in 11, and it follows the two-hit model. Next is the Dennis-Tract syndrome. So 90% chance of developing Wilm's tumor is present in this syndrome, and it is characterized by the gonadal dysgenesis and the early onset nephropathy, and leading to the renal failure. So the DDS, or the Dennis-Tract syndrome, it harbors a dominant negative inactivating mutation in the WT1, and that interferes with the function of the normal WT1. So both the Weidman syndrome and the Dennis-Tract syndrome, these both follow the two-hit model. I've already told you about the two-hit model in my previous video. Okay, so the Weidman syndrome, 5 to 10% chance of the Wilm's tumor is present here, and the Weidman syndrome, it is due to the abnormal genomic imprinting at the WT2 locus. Okay, so these patients exhibit enlargement of individual body organs or the entire body structures. So one important way to remember is that it is Weidman. So there are wide features. The patients, they can have the macroglossia, enlarged body organs, infelocele. So this was all about the Wilm's tumor.